Hey everyone, this is Tim from joystick Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to reset your PlayStation 4 controller. So I'm just going to unplug this right now, and then I'll deal with that in a second. So if I flip over the controller, there's going to be this little hole in the top right. You can kind of see it right now. And what I want to do is put a small little pin in there. So I'm just using a toothpick. So I got my controller turned on. So let's turn it on. You can see it's connected. And I'm going to place this in here, just like this. And I'm going to hold it down for about 5 seconds. And my controller is going to turn off now when I press it. So my controller is disconnected. Now I can try turning this back on, and it might connect. Now if it doesn't connect, you're going to have to use that charging cable that I had before and plug it into the top of the PlayStation 4 controller. And boom, just like that. And press the PlayStation button and it should reconnect. So that is how you can easily reset it. Now another thing that you can do is go up to the top to settings on your PlayStation. Go on down to devices. Then go to controllers. And you should be able to see your controller under here. But let's go back to Bluetooth devices actually. Find your controller under here. Now you want to forget this device. So select into here. And you're going to have to use another controller. And you can forget the device and then re-add it. So there is no option right now. So I'm going to turn on my second controller right here and then turn this on. Now when I plug in the second controller, I will be able to go to my first controller now, select it, press options, and then I can forget the device and I can re-add it. So let's do this. So if you want to completely reset it and fix any kind of issue, now with my controller plugged in, press this button and it'll re-add it real quick. So let's do that one more time. And it should show up under this list and you should be able to use it now. So if it's charging like that, just keep pressing the PlayStation button. Otherwise, what you could do is go back to Bluetooth. Under the screen, put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you got these two buttons. Hold this down. It's going to flash. There's my DualShock 4. Select it, and you can use a TV remote maybe too with this. And now it's connected. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.